Do you want to do this leaf?
Yeah.
Okay, one more to do. Hold that paper down. Good job.
I even dropped debris on the pumpkin.
That's okay. Remember what Mrs. Weishawk said. Sometimes they can be green, huh?
Yeah.
But not purple.
Yeah.
Oh, good job. All right. Did you get all the green?
Yeah.
What color should we do next?
Probably orange.
Okay, what's going to be orange?
Probably I want the pumpkin.
Okay, you go ahead.
But the pumpkin is really big.
It is. And I'll make sure the squirrels don't get you. Silly squirrels.
Like on my thumb.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Good job holding that paper down.